Welcome to the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the Movies Edge. And now we should get this first application because unfortunately our device have now installed by default the Always On Display feature. That's why we should get the application from here. And now after that we just should open this app and click Draw Our Apps. Then just you should find the Movies Edge application on this list and tap here on the switcher. After that, let's go back to the application, select the AUD section, and for example let's use this stem. Just tap here to apply, and now let's lock our smartphone, and we can see that the Always On Display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.